Hello, Kevin. This is JUKI 8700 sewing machine we have in stock for you. This is 8700-7. We have many machines in stock, you see. This is 6714S 4-thread overlock sewing machine JUKI. This machine is 373 button sewer, you see, JUKI. Here you see we will pack the machine and the table separately, usually with cotton. We pack stand separately also. So for second-hand JUKI sewing machines or your order, we get all machines ready. We will need 1 week time to do the maintenance before shipment for you. So please trust me. I look forward to your payment. Then we arrange shipment. Thank you.